Welcome to this video detailing the Forensic Science course. I am Dr. Anjani Kumar, a forensic expert, and I will be guiding you through the course essentials. Forensic science is the application of scientific principles to the legal system. It uses biology, chemistry, and physics to analyze evidence in criminal investigations and provides expert testimony. The course offers bachelor's, master's, and PhD degrees. The curriculum includes both theoretical and practical aspects. Eligibility for the BSc requires a background in science subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology. Core subjects include criminalistics, digital forensics, forensic toxicology, forensic biology and serology, and forensic chemistry. These core subjects provide a comprehensive foundation, spanning areas from the analysis of physical evidence in criminalistics to the chemical and biological examinations in toxicology and serology. Specializations available include crime scene investigation, forensic psychology, cyber forensics, and forensic ballistics, catering to diverse interests within the field. Practical training is essential, featuring hands-on evidence collection, laboratory work like fingerprint and DNA analysis, and simulating crime scenes for real-time experience. Skills acquired include analytical thinking for evidence examination, understanding and applying scientific methods to criminal cases, and developing legal knowledge to work effectively with law enforcement. Career opportunities are extensive, including roles such as forensic scientist, crime scene investigator, digital forensic expert, and forensic pathologist. Forensic professionals can find employment across various job sectors, including law enforcement agencies, forensic laboratories, government organizations, and private consultancy firms. Further studies include master's programs and PhD opportunities, with research focuses on criminal profiling, DNA analysis, and forensic psychology. In conclusion, forensic science is constantly evolving with technology, increasing the demand for skilled forensic scientists. Continuous learning is vital for success in this dynamic field. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to @PillarOfForensicScience for more educational content. For suggestions and collaboration, contact me via email, WhatsApp, or Telegram.